Day 6 of hyping up the next biggest Pokemon event in South Africa. And in today's episode, we are going to be ripping a booster box of the latest set, Abyss Eye. Amazing.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's get to it. Go for it, Tian. Open the box.
The plastic, bro.
Evidently, we don't know how to use a box cutter very well. Okay, we need to get the ASMR.
Also,
Oh yeah. Amazing. All right, there are 30 packs with 5 cards in each pack. Guaranteed at least one secret rare in a box. So hopefully we get at least one. I realize I am breaking my rule of not opening sealed products. But sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do, man. Hopefully, please, Lord. Hopefully we get something good. All right. Oh, I cut one of the cards. No, I'm joking.
imagine that I had.
Okay, so it's one card from the back to the front.
It's upside
Oh,
down.
is that upside down? All right. Okay. And nothing.
Holy,
Okay,
we got a...
one pack down. We are very anticipative. Is that a word? I don't know. Of pulling something.
Anticipative.
just get on with it. Yeah, go. No, you hold it up higher. Yeah. You can look
Is
at
this the
yourself in the
last
camera. No, there's one more. And oh, nothing. Okay. On our third pack.
Oh, wait.
What's that? Oh, it's nothing.
I got excited for a second. It's
Okay.
not nothing, it's something. Via.
Something, Armor Rouge.
Something to
One of my
say.
favorite Pokemon, actually. It's quite a pretty card.
Don't talk nonsense.
It is one of my favorite Pokemon.
Alright, guys.
Okay, pack number 4.
This is my favorite Pokemon.
What is that?
I'm doing shit.
Oh!
Yeah, I got a...
Don't look at. We need to show the camera. Bro. Hey, what is this?
I got a flower.
Oh, that's nice. Nice art rare. We take that. All right, pack number 5, I believe.
Wait, are you sure you can get God packs?
Yep,
today?
you can get a God
But
pack.
it's like 5 cards.
Yep, you can still get a God pack. Oops. And ooh, that's something.
Oh, nice.
Nice, the Darkrai EX. Take that.
You know what that means?
Better than
You know what
just look how nice that rainbowing
this is
hollow is. Very cool.
Fomantis.
The 2 hits we have so far are Fomantis and the Darkrai. Mega Darkrai EX, not bad. Okay, we carry on. All right, pack number 6. Let's keep going. Lift it up higher.
I know.
Oh,
Is this the last card?
one more. Yeah, go. Oh. Nothing. Is that the last one? Yes, and nothing. Relicanth.
You kind of suck.
Yes, I did get the Darkrai.
Yeah.
Something. Okay, would be great if we got more than nothing right now. Why is it always that you are the one that gets all the hits? This is why I don't rip sealed, people. I do not rip sealed.
And that's why I do it.
Okay, let's go. Pack 8. Okay, not a god pack. Last one. Oh!
Let's go.
That's a secret rare. I don't know what this is, but it is a secret rare.
So
I hope it's not the secret rare of the pack,
does
but
that mean
it could be.
We hit a secret.
No, we guaranteed one, but we could have more than one, and we are going to have more than one, speaking it into the universe.
Wait, let me just see.
Okay, while Tian checks that.
Okay, yeah.
While Tian checks
I
that,
thought it was a secret art.
we go on for pack number 9. Alrighty.
Rust Syndicate Grant.
Rust Syndicate Grunt.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. Come on, baby.
Give us another one.
And oh, I don't do well with these, do I? It's left,
In life,
so
you don't hit in the early, you hit in the later.
words of wisdom, Tian, from Tian, by the way, people. Okay, this is pack 10. So a third through the box, and we have 3 hits so far.
Wait, oh, you actually a third.
Yeah, we are a third through the box. 10 packs. This is pack number 10, so we'll be a third.
Yo, if we get hit the dark, I
Okay,
may open
come
another
on,
one.
let's go.
Alright, guys.
Why are you like taking the cards away weirdly? And no, is that the last one? No,
No,
and oh, nothing. Right, pack 11.
This sucks every halfway almost.
It's okay.
No, wouldn't it be pack 12?
All right. This is pack 11. And
Oh, nice.
that's something.
Oh,
Wailord EX. It's a little hit. Take that. I've hit the 2 EXs. You've hit the 4 odds. Okay. Pack 12. Okay. Go. And no, and one more. Oh! What's that? Oh no, that's nothing.
well, at least is that a?
Like I don't know, some bomb thing.
Bizarre.
It's another secret rare. Take it.
Damn, maybe. Yeah. God, bad bullshit.
Tian took all the packs on the left of the box, by the way, and so far he has hit a full art in what's that? 40% of your packs? No, no, actually like 30% of your packs.
4, 6, 8, 9.
Okay, so basically 30% of your packs. Still pretty good numbers. All right, guys, come on, let's go.
Yo, maybe they
Right.
put it on the left side.
Alrighty. This is pack, what's this, 13. Pack 13.
No, wait, is that the
Is
last
that the
one?
last one? It is the last one.
Oh,
Shiny.
You're eating the shinies.
Got
bro.
something that's shiny.
Oh, you're happy so shit. Alright, guys.
Okay, let's go. Okay, and boom! No.
I think we should open it and get 30 hits.
Right. This, I think, is pack 15.
Wait, let me go.
Okay, and oh, pack 16 is upon us.
Maybe you should stop opening. Maybe I should open. Alright. Just give us a
Okay, come on. This is pack 16. 16. Let's go. Come on. And boom! Nothing. Okay. Pack 17, we carry on. This is around about the point in your box where you could give up hope, but we will not.
Because it's Japanese, not English.
Well, we could still, yeah, we could hit something. Come on, so we carry on.
We all guarantee the SAR.
I think so. This, oh, that's upside down. Okay, righty. And oh, dark what's that? Like a weird dark energy.
Oh no, that's actually cool.
Something pretty cool.
You want to put it in the sleeve?
Yeah.
That's actually cool. Alright guys, this is pack 18, right?
Pack 18.
Oh, I took 2 cards, right?
What are you? Okay. And oh, nothing.
Yeah, maybe we shouldn't have opened.
This is around about the point in the box where you start to doubt if you should have opened the box. Don't worry, the doubt was there from the beginning because I don't rip seal, but I was peer pressured into doing this by Tian.
It wasn't me, guys.
So, you know what? If we don't get anything, it's his fault. But you know what? We do it for the vibes.
Yeah, we
so
do
that's
it for
okay.
the enjoyment from our channel.
Okay.
This is oh wait, is that the last?
Oh, was that the last?
Wait.
Oh, I didn't do the right thing. Hey, we got a hit. That's something. Nice.
I thought it was a
This is
Pokedoodles.
this is the evolve form of one of the, I think, Gen 9 starters. Yeah, Poplio. I think it's the final evolve form of Poplio. That's a beautiful card. We take it, another art rare hit. So far, I think I'm winning on the hits now.
Also, no you're not.
I am.
Bro.
Oh yeah.
EXs don't actually count.
Well, true.
Also guys, all hits are going to a charity called Tian's Foundation. Look it up on my Instagram page if you want to donate something. Wait, is this upside down? Yeah, it is.
Okay, let's go.
Stop moving your head.
Don't go too close.
Why?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
something.
Maybe we don't need these energies.
Those energies are pretty cool. It's not an energy, it's like it's some sort of item. Supporter card. But they look really cool. Right. I think this is 20, eh? 20, yeah. Pack 20.
2, 4, 5, 9, 21.
So I'm on 21 now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are 2/3 of the box in. All right. Here we go. And oh, EX.
No.
Flomantis EX.
No one an EX and that bad.
Something at least. It's better than nothing.
I'm starting to think we shouldn't have opened this.
And this is about that point in opening a box where if you don't hit something in the next 10 packs, you regret opening the
But
box.
it's not about the money. Guys.
Exactly.
It's about the enjoyment and satisfaction.
And I'm having a great time. Okay, go.
Oh. Come on, just give me the gold dog back. Or the other
Just a
dog
casual.
back.
And nothing.
Fishy, fishy, fishy. What have you made?
Okay, this is pack 23. Righty. And nothing.
I got so excited. Got back.
All right, this is pack 24. Let's go.
This is
No.
Yeah,
I think the first card would have been.
card pack of bullshit.
And boom! Nothing.
You know, some
Tian's on a dry run now. He hasn't hit something in like at least what 6 packs or 7 packs.
bro, if you count an EX as a hit,
EX is a hit, dude.
almost.
EX is definitely a hit. Don't listen to anybody that says it's not. And anybody being Tian. All right, pack 25. Nothing. Pack 26.
Guys, if you see any of these cards in any packs that you buy from us, just know we did not.
yeah. If you see one of these packs, like this with sellotape on it, mind your own business, and buy the pack.
Promise you, it's not really sealed.
Okay, come on. And
I feel it, and
nothing. Was that the last card?
no.
Pack 27.
We haven't hit an SAR, right?
No, we've hit 2 SRs, so 2 secret rares, but no SARs.
Shit.
But I think it's the guarantee of a secret rare, whether that is an SR or an SAR, I think.
No, I think they would guarantee an SAR in a booster box, realistically speaking. I mean.
Well, English doesn't guarantee nothing, so
Like you.
the fact that you even get something is still something.
It's a blessing.
Right. Pack 27, give us something. Give us something good. Come on, baby! Oh.
Absolute bonkers, bro. You down to one pack. Hey, yo.
Okay, pack 28. Come on. I feel there's still something here. I feel there's still something. Come on.
Bro, 2 packs left.
Yep, 2 packs left. Let's go.
Alright. Oh gosh. Okay,
Ooh,
that's not
EX.
bad. The EXs
Yeah.
are actually really good looking.
Nice, yeah, that looks really nice. That EX looks really good. Wow. Happy with that. Pack 29. The last 2 packs left. Are we gonna have last pack magic? Because we most definitely didn't have first pack magic.
Actually, didn't I eat something in the first pack? Oh, my first pack.
I think it was the Armor Rouge.
No, it was the fun.
Oh, the Flomantis.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, come on. Come on, baby. Boom! Nothing.
Bro, it was down to this one.
This is last pack. Let's see if we get something now. Come on. Right, pack 30. Okay.
Got back. No.
And oh!
Nice.
Another art rare. Not bad. A pretty good box overall. We got 2 secret rares, 3 art rares, and a couple. 2 secret rares. So
That's
actually a pretty good box. We take it.
Yeah. Take the energy item.
All the hits. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hits. So a 33% hit rate is what we basically got out of that box. Alrighty guys, we'll catch you on day 7.